Today's lesson, we are going to talk about Excel functions and formulas. What is the difference between Excel function and formulas? Excel formula is something that is created by the Excel user, while Excel function is a predefined calculation in the Excel sheet. Steps in calculating Excel formulas and functions. The first step is that we select a cell, then we write an equal sign. After the equal sign, then we enter the function of the formula we want to execute. Then we press enter or OK. Let's see some few examples. We will start with formulas. We have this data. I want to calculate the addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. We can do this in two ways. The first one is basic, where we can directly add the numbers, and the other one involves the formula. The first one is, remember, we said in our steps that in every formula and function we start with an equal sign. So let's start with the equal sign. Then we directly add 10 plus 5. We write 10, then shift plus, then 5, and then we press OK. The subtraction will do the same way. Equal sign, 10 minus 5, we press OK. The multiplication will do the same way. Equal sign, 10 plus asterisk times 5. Then in division, we do the same way. 10 divided by 5. That's the first way. The second way is start with the equal sign. Then we create the first number. Then shift plus. Then we create the second number. Then we enter. Okay. The subtraction will do the same way. Equal sign. First number minus the second number. We press OK. In multiplication, we do the same way. Equal sign. First number times the second number. Press OK. Then division, we do the same way. First number divided by second number. We press OK. I think that is very simple and it is very explanatory. Then we move to functions. We have this data, names, department, and the salary of these different individuals in different departments. We want to calculate the sum. We want to calculate the sum salary. We want to calculate the average salary. Then we want to calculate the minimum salary, the maximum salary, the count, and the counter. Let's start with the sum. Whenever we start, always start with an equal sign. Then we type sum. We get the example will give us the sum. Then we click. Then we highlight our salary. We close the bracket. Then we enter. After we do the same way, write average. So then we result. Then we enter. Minimum salary is the least amount of the salary. start with the equal sign, then we write MIN, then we give us, then we highlight the summary, we close the bracket. As you can see, 300 is the list summary. Then we want to calculate the maximum amount of money earned by these individuals. We start with the equal sign, then we write the maximum MAX, exactly give us, then we highlight the summary, close the bracket, and tight. Then we want to count, we have equal sign, then we write count, then we highlight them again, then we go to counter, equal sign, counter, then we press enter. You can see in count we only have 5, but in counter we have 15. What's the difference? In count we only count the number of cells in a range, and it only counts only numbers, while counters count both text and the numbers. That's the difference. Here we have 5 names plus 5 departments plus 5. 5 times 3 is 15. And count, we only have 5 numbers. That's why count is 5 and counter is 15. Count, it counts as the numbers, while the counter counts for us both the numbers and the text. There's other ways we can do this. For example, we can go to, we can do it in FX form. We click here FX, then we type what we want. For example, we want the average or the sum. Then we highlight our data, and it will give us the same things. The other way we can do it, we go to formula, we start function, then we press OK. It will come for us. Let's try with an average. We start a function with this average. Then we highlight the summary. We press OK. It will come for us. There's another way we can do. For example, we select the summary. We go to the home tab. Then we go to the auto sum. We click sum. It will give us the total amount. If you want the average, you can do the same. We highlight the salary. Then we go to the auto sum. Then we go to average. It will give us the average. Another way we can do is, let's delete this one. We convert this into table. We insert a table. Then we click the total row here, and it will give us the total sum. If we want to change into average, we click average. If we want to change to count, we click count. If we want maximum, we click maximum. Those are the different ways we can calculate these functions. I hope this video is very helpful. Thank you.